All right, today we're gonna bring a fire blanket. This is perfect if you're in the kitchen like us. We cook a lot. We want to make sure that it's safe. So sometimes when we're cooking, we put a lot of oil and it sizzles and you can see the fire. We can't turn it up. You're not supposed to turn water. You put this on. So this one has a hanging area here. You can hang it anywhere, maybe on with your actual rest of the cloths that you have, and then all you got to do is pull these two things and the blankets out. So very simple. It tells you instructions how to do it, how to use it. So we're gonna keep it right here by our kitchen. You guys can see we're gonna hang it there. So we're gonna keep it for emergencies. All we got to do is pull these two levers out, turn off the fire, and we're good. Very simple to use. All right, so today we're gonna start a little fire here. We're gonna turn it off with the carbon fiber blanket. Just be careful when you take it out because it's carbon fiber and it could start it could get your itchy hands. All right, so just make sure you pull the instructions tells you pull it out. All right, once you pull it out, expand it how you want. All right, and then all you got to do is cover it up. So as you can see, it's completely gonna exhaust the fire. No oxygen coming out. It's gonna completely turn black a little bit, but the blanket works. So it turns black here where the fire is concentrated. Now all the smoke's coming out, and we turn off the fire completely out. And very simple to use. Easy to use the blanket. I had no issues. We're just gonna wait till the fire completely turns off and just wait till the smoke. Look at the smoke on the side here. It's completely coming out through there. We're gonna make sure that the fire's out completely by checking the blanket in a bit right now. I'm just letting the oxygen get out of there. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.